I'm doing an unboxing video today for the PlayStation 5, and I pre-ordered mine from Sam's Club, and there was a bit of a delay, so I just now received mine today, and we're gonna unbox it and stick it right here. I have right now plugged in a Wii U and a PS4, and my Switch. So we're probably gonna move, judging by how big this is, probably have to move the Wii U up to the top shelf and take the PS4 out. Hopefully most of the games I play will be compatible with the PS5, because I think the PS5 is probably going to take up that whole bottom cabinet here. We'll see what happens. And my cat Squeegee, of course, wants to get in on the unboxing like he always does in all of my videos. So I'm trying to figure out what the best way to do this is. Probably lay it down here. I'm not good with scissors, so it's hard for me. Let's see. That might be like the world's worst box opener. So there's not really even any PlayStation 5 launch titles that I'm really that excited about right now. I think in time there will be, because PlayStation 5 usually gets all the exclusive JRPGs, especially the Persona series and other Atlas titles. And traditionally PlayStation is where all of the Otome games and all of that have been, although we have seen more migrate to Nintendo just because they like the handheld format. So interestingly, however you say that word, enough, I have seen already on the PlayStation 4, there's an option to do remote play to another television. So if I hook my PlayStation 5 up here and I want to be back in the bedroom, I can take my PS4 and go back in there and play that way. I think also with the PlayStation TV and PS5 is similar, that you can do remote play that way too. So of course we have it turned backwards here. We'll turn it around. It's very heavy too. Sorry, Squeeze. He's getting kind of jammed out of there. Sony PlayStation 5, here it is. It's really heavy. Why is it so heavy? Oh my goodness. So, I'll just take a look at it. I might need both hands for just a second here while I'm trying to pull it off here. There's Squeegee. There's a box for you, buddy. So it does have a little handle here. You can see my cat's checking out the box. So cute. It has a handle, but really, I don't know. Not me, I can barely lift it. It's like so heavy. I've heard stories about how big this is. I'm expecting it to, like I said, probably take up the whole bottom shelf of my entertainment cabinet. I'll just squeegee again for you guys. Alright, so let's cut this open if I can here. So I ordered the disc version because it wasn't that much more money, and I do have some games that are like the disc version, like steelbook collector editions. I'd say probably like 90% of my games are digital nowadays, and I prefer that way, but there wasn't a big price difference, so I just went for. Plus, because of the botched kind of pre-order thing, almost everywhere had sold out of PlayStation 5s, except Sam's Club. They actually waited, even though Walmart was one that started like the whole like releasing everything early, and Walmart owned Sam's Club, but Sam's Club waited until the actual release day, pre-order day, to release pre-orders. There's a diagram trying to tell me how to open this and unpackage it, but I'll just kind of ignore that. Hopefully I won't regret ignoring that. And anyways, as I was saying, Sam's Club only offered the version with the disc drive and everything in it. So, but it's good because I like watching a lot of Blu-rays and DVDs and stuff, and since it's going on our main TV out here, it'll be nice for the living room. Quick start guide. Quick start guide in another language. I have no idea what this is. Doesn't sound good. I need to be more gentle with the stuff, right? So yeah, I have no idea what this is, but I guess I will find out as I'm doing whatever. Maybe a stand that it sits on, stands up in. I don't know. It's interesting. Some cables for hooking it up to the TV. Power adapter. Alright, here we go. Look at the PlayStation controller. It's big and it's heavy. It kind of reminds me, I had an Xbox and an Xbox 360, and it kind of reminds me of the 360 controller a little bit. I think probably just the color is reminding me of it. I can still pretty much reach the buttons. It's a little bit harder for me than it is on my other PlayStation. I do like kind of like the clear kind of overlays that they put on that. That looks really nice. I mean, it's a pretty controller. It is definitely heavier and bigger. Let's get a PlayStation 4 controller up here and we can kind of show you the difference here. I'm just moving everything that I just unpacked so that I don't step on anything. Move my scissors, instruction books, packaging material. Alright. Hi, Squidgy. Let me borrow. Forgive how dusty everything is. I need to dust more, I know, but so I'm trying to line them up so they're about, we'll kind of just stack them, I guess, and then you can really see that the white one, woo, as I knock them down, the white one is quite a bit bigger. Personally, I prefer these black ones, which have been pretty standard. I don't know, maybe not that much bigger, maybe a little bit longer, but actually, the handlebar might be actually slimmer. It's a different shape, but overall, it's pretty similar to, like I said, this is really showing a lot of pet hairs and dust. Sorry, it's gross. Yeah, they're pretty similar. I mean, when I'm holding this one, I feel like I can reach those like much easier than I can, and this is so much lighter. So one's heavier for sure. And I see. My struggle is going to be reaching this top trigger. I have to stretch my finger in a very unnatural way. Whereas this one here, it's very comfortable, very easy for me. Maybe it's because I'm a girl, so I have smaller hands than most guys. I mean, I can do it, but it's not comfortable at all. That is not comfortable. Maybe after a while, maybe they'll release a smaller controller for smaller hands. I hope so, anyways. I don't think I like that. The little touchpad area is a lot bigger on the white one compared to the black one. Start and options is in the same place. It's basically same. Is that like a... Yeah. Your PS button now, it kind of blends in. This is the actual button. Oops, and I just turned it on briefly there, accidentally. But overall, I still prefer the old design. I like the new colors and the new look, but I just wish, especially with the top trigger buttons, I wish it was a little bit more gamer girl friendly, I guess, right? Because when you're holding it like this, that really hurts. That hurts my finger. It's like unnatural. I don't know if you're looking, like I can't move my finger any further than that. Whereas on this one here, like when it's up here, it's more natural. Like I can go all the way over. I can get off of the controller completely. But like this one is like, that's like as far as I can go, it's just barely, and it cramps my whole hand up trying to do that. Anyways, we've looked at the controllers enough. Look at them from the side here. Yeah, those are thick. Here, let's try and do a side by side over two. I don't know if I can pick them both up at the same time. The white one is quite a bit thicker, especially when you look at the top. It doesn't look like it from here, but like the distance from like when you're holding it here to like up here, it's a lot. It's taller, I guess is what is there taller? Taller. And then this one, shorter. Forgive my nails too. I'm bad about getting them done. They haven't been done in a few weeks, so they're all grown out and gross, but I'm not gonna wait till I get my nails done to unbox this, so go with the flow. Alright. Let's see, the actual PlayStation is in here. They have it kind of packed with these eggshell carton things. We might have to lay this down for a minute to get everything out of there. The struggle's real. Come on. Alright, there we go. We finally have it out. For the most part. Well, they did a good job packaging it because it's wrapped in tons of like bubble wrap. But here it is. We finally have unwrapped the beast. It is so heavy. Over there's the little PS4 and my cat's tail over there. Anyways, here is the PS5. We're gonna bring it over next to the PS4 so that everyone can kind of get a good look at it here. See what the difference is. So we lined them up side by side. Actually, probably go over it a little bit more. Side by side, and it is quite a bit longer, probably a good 2 or 3 inches longer than the PS4. Thickness wise, it's about the same. I'm guessing PS4 might even be a little bit thicker, but this one's definitely longer, definitely heavier. So alright, well, like I said, I'm probably gonna have to move the Wii U, and PlayStation 4 will just go in another room. So let's see. I hope everyone's staying safe, and if you have people over for the holidays, just be really safe. I think we're gonna have some friends over, and we'll get to play the PS4. But hopefully everyone will stay safe. We're just having like maybe 2 or 3 people over. We're hosting and we're cooking a turkey for the first time, so it's exciting. So much dust. Alright. So here's the old PS4 sitting on top of the new PS5. My cat's coming over to check things out. There's dust flying everywhere. Unplug those. Alright, say goodbye to PS4. For now, anyways. Hi, Squeegee. Can you move, please? Because Mommy needs to get in here. Let's see. What if, can we stack this? Does the Wii U stand up like that? Oh, no. It does now, for now, anyways. Excuse me, Squeegee, please. Beep, beep. I really should dust here. Yeah, that's not gonna stand up that way. What am I gonna do with this? I need to dust. I'll unplug this for now. We aren't gonna use it right now anyways. The Wii U's new home is up there. It needs dusted off. I should dust here too before I put my PlayStation in. Oh, look, all the dust. So how many of you were lucky enough to get a PlayStation 5? Did you get the disc version or the digital version? Leave us a comment below. Tell us which version you picked out. Like I said, I went with the disc version, partially because it was my only option at that point, but also I do like watching movies, and I do have a few games that are still on discs. It's sitting on all these other cords. It actually doesn't want to sit. It kind of rocks, and I'm trying to figure out if it's on something, but I really don't think it is. I don't think it's made to lay down like that, but whatever. It's gonna lay there because that's the only place I have for it. Alright, let's see. Start unwrapping the cords and stuff that we have for it. I'm just trying to undo the twist ties that they have on the HDMI cable and the power cord right now so that I can get it all plugged in. Turn it on for the first time. let you guys look at the PlayStation 5 while I'm trying to figure this out. So what games have you guys been playing? I've been playing some old school games. I've been replaying the 3 Tokimeki Memorial Girl Side games on the Nintendo DS. And then I've also been playing a new mobile game called Wannabe Challenge. And I think it might be from the makers of Mr. Love Queen's Choice, because it's very similar in a lot of ways. I can't open this. I guess I'm gonna need to get scissors for this. Alright, let's find some scissors here. Oh, where are you? I know I put my scissors back, and now I cannot find them. Here they are. Careful that I don't cut the cord while I'm trying to open this. This one. Have you guys watched any good anime lately? I haven't. I watched season 2 of Re:Zero, and then I think because of coronavirus, we're kind of waiting on new episodes. I think it'll be January, I think, is when the next ones are coming. And I think it's December, but it might be January, that the Nintendo Switch game is coming out for Re:Zero. I tried to enter the lottery for the Dolphy Dream Rim, but I didn't get chosen, so that was a bit disappointing. I gotta figure out where this goes now. I might have this completely turned around here, which I think I do. But that might not be a bad thing right now while I'm trying to plug everything in. So right now we have the little HDMI, happy HDMI guy here. Okay, so we have that plugged in. What else do we need? Need the actual power cord. So I've heard a lot of people talking about some bugs with the PlayStation 5 already. One of the biggest problems seems to happen if it's in rest mode and it bricks itself. And the only solution if that happens is you'll get a replacement console from Sony, but given the fact that holidays are coming and shipments are already being delayed, it'll probably be a long wait if you have to wait on a replacement console, I'm assuming. And then with COVID getting worse again, not just here in America, but all around the world, like, who knows? Alright, we're plugging in the power supply now, or trying to at least. Okay. Alright, so there's some other ports and things. You can like plug it into LAN cable, and then I don't know what these 2 little blue ones are here. Maybe that's where the controls go, but I hope not, because I don't want to have to stand it up. I wanted to be able to do it laying down. I also heard it overheats, so it might be one of those consoles that needs to be stood up. But as you can see, it's not gonna fit standing up in my shelf. My cat's over here playing with all the packaging. Say hi, Squeegee. Squeegee, say hi. So let's try and turn this around and get everything plugged in. So there's definitely some more